My dear students, we have been discussing about chapter 13, the states in northern plains. We know that the northern plains are situated to the south of the Himalayas. It is formed by silt deposited by Himalayas and its tributaries. These plains are the largest alluvial tract in the world. These plains extends approximately 3200 km from west to east. The average width of these plains varies between 150 and 300 kilometers. These plains cover over the states of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, and some parts of Assam. Let's go through briefly about Punjab and Haryana. Punjab, the word Punjab means the land of five rivers. These five rivers are like the Satluj, the Ravi, the Bias, the Chenab, the Jhelum. The capital of Punjab is Chandigarh. Its population is around 28 million. The Punjab is bordered by few states like Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, and western part of Punjab is Pakistan. Haryana. Chandigarh is the capital of Haryana. Haryana spreads over an area of around 44,000 square kilometers. It has 22 districts. Its population is around 26 million. The farmers of Punjab mostly depend on cultivation. The soil of Haryana is very fertile. So farmers of those that state mostly cultivate wheat, pulses, maize, sugarcane and millets. The main rivers of Haryana are like Yamuna, Ghagra, Saraswati and Krishnavati, etc. Today we shall discuss about three states. They are Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. Look at the map of Uttar Pradesh, which is given in India map in red color. Uttar Pradesh is very large and the most populous state of India. Lucknow is the capital of the state. Uttar Pradesh spreads over an area of around 243,000 square kilometers. It has 75 districts. Its population is around 205 million. Uttar Pradesh shares its borders with the states of Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Bihar, Haryana, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. The languages spoken here are Hindi, Urdu, Awadhi and Bhojpuri. The major crops cultivated in the state are wheat, rice, sugarcane, vegetables, pulses and oilseeds. There are some rivers in Uttar Pradesh like the Ganga, the Yamuna flow here. Some important cities of the states are Agra, Kanpur, Varanasi, Allahabad, Bareilly, etc. Now let's talk about Lucknow. Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. It is located on the banks of the river Gomti. Hindi, Urdu and English are the main languages of the local people. The famous tourist attractions are Bara Imambara, Rumi Darwaja, Husainabad Clock Tower and Shahid Smarak. Aminabad and Hazarganj are the main shopping centers. Lucknow is famous for its chicken embroidery or chicken curry, elaborate cuisine and nawabs. Bihar. Bihar is a big state of India. Its capital is Patna. It is the land of Buddha and Mahavira. Bihar spreads over an area of around 94,000 square kilometers. It has 38 districts. Its population is around 100 million. It shares its borders with the states of Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal and Jharkhand. The main languages spoken in the state are Hindi, Urdu, Maithili and Bhojpuri. Agriculture is the main occupation of people of Bihar. The farmers grow rice, sugarcane, jute, tobacco and vegetables. Major rivers in Bihar. Rivers like the Kosi, the Ganges, the Ghagra, the Karamnasa etc. flow in the state. Some cities of the states are Gaya, Muzaffarpur, Ara, Chapra, Darbhanga etc. Patna is the capital of Bihar. It is situated on the banks of the river Ganga. In the olden days, it was known as Patliputra. People here speak Hindi, Bhojpuri, Urdu and English. Golghar, Patna Museum, Raj Bhavan, St. Mary's Church, Patna Sahib Gurudwara, etc. are the main attractions for the tourists. Chhat Puja is the main festival of Bihar. West Bengal. West Bengal is an eastern state of India. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. The state spreads over an area of around 89,000 square kilometers. It has 23 districts. Its population is a little more than 90 million. It shares its borders with the state of Sikkim, Assam, Odisha, Jharkhand and Bihar. The main language spoken in West Bengal is Bengali. Rivers like the Ganga, the Hooghly, the Damodar, the Mahananda make the land of West Bengal very fertile. The farmers grow rice, jute, cotton and sugarcane. West Bengal is the largest producer of jute in India. Some cities of the state are Bardhaman, Jalpaiguri, Durgapur, etc. Kolkata. Kolkata is a metropolitan city of India. It is the capital of West Bengal. Formerly, it was known as Calcutta. It is the second largest city of India. During the British rule till 1911, it was the capital of India. Its location. It is situated on the banks of the river Hooghly. To enter Kolkata, one has to cross the Hooghly River. The climate of West Bengal. The climate is neither very hot nor very cold. It varies from tropical savanna in the southern portion to humid subtropical in the north. It receives heavy rainfall. People and language. People usually wear simple cotton clothes. Women wear saris and men wear dhoti kurtas. Bangla is the most widely spoken language. However, English and Hindi are also spoken. Food. The food habit of the people is rice and fish. They also like sweets. Rasagulla and sandesh are very popular sweets. Industries. Kolkata is a major industrial center of India. The major industries here are cotton, jute, sugar, chemicals, footwear, and paper mills. Its handicrafts, clay and cane articles, and brass items are also famous. Transport. In India, the first metro railway system was introduced in Kolkata. Buses and trams are also used by people for transportation. Howrah and Sialda are railway stations of Kolkata. Kolkata's Howrah Bridge is the busiest bridge in India. It is also called Rabindra Setu. Vidyasagar Setu is another bridge. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport connects Kolkata with other cities in India and the world. Diamond Harbour is an important seaport here. Places of interest. There are many important places worth seeing in Kolkata. They are Victoria Memorial, made of pure white marble, Fort William National Library, Birla Planetarium, Belur Math, Science City, Alipur Zoo, Eden Gardens, and Shantiniketan, which was founded by Rabindranath Tagore. Festivals. Durga Puja is the main festival celebrated here. During this festival, huge pandals are made, which have beautiful idols of the goddesses Durga. This festival lasts for 9 days. Eid and Christmas are also celebrated here. People are very fond of music, dance, literature, and films. Football and cricket are the popular games in Kolkata.